One of my players that I work with asked me, how am I able to train alone? Because she struggles with that, in that she finds it easier to train with somebody else. Number one, if you're able to train with somebody else who plays defense, who's able to pass to you the ball, you're able to pass the ball to, okay, because you're also training on your passes, you're also training on your defense. When you have somebody else, it's better. But at times you don't have that opportunity, or you don't have that person to train with. So you have to find ways to make sure that your training sessions are competitive and you're gaining something. You might train for even 30 minutes, but if you're pushing yourself and you have some restrictions, you'll gain and they'll be visible when it comes to the game. For that matter, I'm going to share with you guys the drill today that I do. It's very simple. How many shots can you make in 90 seconds? Okay, for me, it's simple. If you're able to make 15 shots in 90 seconds, then the next time you do it, you must make more within those 90 seconds. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this case, I think I made 10 within the 90 seconds. And now the target is next time when I train, I have to make more. So I have to make more than 10 within the same time. That way, I'm pushing myself and I'm improving. I hope you guys got value. I hope you're going to try this, and hope it helps you improve on your game. Okay, otherwise remember, your game, your responsibility. It's your boy, Collins Odhiambo, and I'm out. Peace!